Hollywood waves are one of the most popular bridal styles. It is very classic, timeless, and can be worn in any season of the year. Hey there, I'm Dacia, owner and lead stylist of CHEVEUX Deluxe Extension Bar and Bridal Services. Today we are here with Wed Mayhem and our beautiful bride, Jessica. I will be walking you through how to achieve this look at home. Let's jump right in. Before we get started, I want to mention that I have already installed hair extensions into Jessica's hair. This is definitely very much so necessary when we are working with women of color in order to create the exact look that we're wanting. But no matter what hair type you have, adding extensions can just create a more voluminous and clean look. So with that out of the way, let's jump right in. I will be showing you all of the products that I highly recommend that you use when trying to achieve these looks. If you decide that you want to go against my recommendation, just know you might not get the exact same look. So pay attention, ladies. For this look, I am going to start with my Awapui Wild Ginger Ultra Light Silky Styling Treatment Serum. This is going to go in and add that shine that we need in order for it to be nice and silky. Because I want to have a tighter curl when doing the Hollywood wave, you always want to use anywhere from a thermal styling spray with a firm hold, or you'll want to use a thermal spray with a medium hold. This all depends on the texture and type of hair that you have. Once I have my curl set, I will go in with my working spray to go in and comb through the curls to give it that extra set and hold. Today for Jessica's look, I will be using a 1-inch Babyliss Pro curling iron. You can also achieve this look with using a curling wand, but you want to make sure that you use no larger than a 1-inch to a 1.25 inch of an iron. This will give you the exact curl that you're needing in order to comb through and create that wave that you're wanting. I will also be using my paddle brush to detangle her, a rat tail comb to section, a styling comb to comb through her curls to create the exact wave. You will also need duckbill clips and a couple hair clips in order to keep the hair in a certain section so that way you don't have any extra hair in the way. Before we go in and set our curls, we always want to use a detangling paddle brush to go through and brush through the hair from the roots to the ends, making sure we don't have any tangles or any delays while we are going through and setting our curls. From there, we'll want to go in and use our Awapui Wild Ginger Styling Treatment Serum, a couple pumps, and we are going to move it and place it throughout the hair. This adds the shine and the smoothness that we need during this curling process. If you have a hard time with trying to figure out the exact inches that you're needing, I'd recommend using a styling comb that has the numbers on it. This will show you the exact inch that you'll be needing for your width and your length. I like to part downward in inch sections, taking my extra hair, taking my clip and clipping that back. So that way there isn't any extra hair that'll be in my way. I like to then take inch sections of the hair across, taking that extra hair and pinning that back. From here, we will go in with our Kenra Thermal Styling Spray, number 19. This gives a really firm hold, which is what we'll need, especially when we are working with this texture of hair. Spray each section as you go. I like to make sure that I comb through, making sure I don't have anything that will be in my way or that will delay my curl process. For the curl, I like to take no more than a 1-inch section from the top to the bottom and then across the head. We always want to have each curl going in the same direction. So let's get started. Before we move on, like, comment, and subscribe to Wed Mayhem. For the list of products that we use today, see the description below. For more information on CHEVEUX Deluxe Extension Bar, bridal services, and to order hair extensions, please go to daciacheveux.com. Now, let's get back to it. Now that her curls are completely set, we are gonna remove the duckbill clips. I'm going to go in with my Kenra smoothing spray to decrease any type of frizz that may come about. I am also going to use my Kenra working spray just to make sure we get that perfect Hollywood wave look. Also using my styling comb. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing this Hollywood glam wave. For more content like this, subscribe to Wed Mayhem, and we're out. Yeah, I don't think we out. People aren't gonna like that.